So first we have to find the right keywords for your website. This is not keywords you think it is the right one, but this is exactly the phrase someone write in Google. So I prepare for you free online course how to find the right keywords. And of course then you have to use these keywords on your website, on your title, on your content, on image. Today I will share more about optimization photos for your website. So let's go. So first, resize your photo to proper dimension for your website, then optimize it with application you can use. These two I will share in next story. Then upload this photo on your website and add alt text so Google will know what this photo is and use keywords. And that's all. Every page or blog post should also have a great title. So today I share some 4 tricks to create better title. We will optimize your links on your website. Page should also have a short description or meta description. This description is visible on Google or Facebook when you share a link.